In the heart of the world's most iconic cityscape, a new standard of livable art has emerged. This is not merely a residence, it is a $50,000 per square meter testament to the art of the Haussmann. For the elite collector, this space functions as a high-yield investment wrapped in 19th-century soul. We are stepping inside a world where history's DNA meets museum-grade precision, where every shadow is intentional and every texture tells a story of absolute permanence. Can a home be more valuable than the art it holds? Let's step inside. The journey begins at the limestone threshold, a towering facade that defines Parisian prestige. The 19th-century stonework, etched with intricate carvings, stands as a fortress of privacy. Huge oak doors, polished to a mirror sheen, are adorned with solid brass hardware that glows under high-contrast evening street lamps. This is the livable investment, in its most physical form, an exterior that promises a curated gallery experience before you even cross the hall. The architecture breathes history, yet feels sharply contemporary in its perfection. The exterior is a promise, the interior is the revelation. The salon is a triumph of the Enfilade layout, where grand rooms align in a breathtaking row, drawing the eye through a sequence of architectural vistas. Thick, soundproofed walls create a silent sanctuary, while silk-screened wall coverings catch the museum-grade lighting. The centerpiece is the original 19th-century mirror, its smoky patina reflecting a room filled with bespoke furniture and curated sculptures. Here, the $50,000 per square meter valuation becomes tangible in the seamless blend of heritage and modern luxury. Beyond the salon lies a perspective that never ends. In the master suite, the atmosphere shifts to a deeper, more intimate contrast. The walls are wrapped in hand-painted silk, absorbing the soft glow of recessed museum lighting. The Enfilade connection remains, offering a glimpse into the grander social spaces while maintaining a sense of absolute seclusion. Solid brass accents punctuate the room, from the door handles to the custom light fixtures, ensuring that even the most private moments are surrounded by the world's finest materials. It is a gallery for rest, silent and perfectly composed. But where does the art end and the utility begin? Follow me to the kitchen. This is the culinary heart of the Haussmann, reimagined as a sleek, high-contrast laboratory of taste. Minimalist marble islands contrast against the ornate crown moldings of the ceiling. Hidden behind custom cabinetry, professional-grade appliances await, while the solid brass hardware provides a tactile link to the rest of the home. The lighting here is clinical yet warm, highlighting the precision of the stone edges and the depth of the wood grain. It is a space designed for the Epicurean collector who demands both performance and aesthetic. From the ground floor, we ascend to a new perspective. Suspended within the volume of the grand salon, the mezzanine offers a dramatic vantage point. This steel and glass architectural insertion allows one to appreciate the Enfilade layout from above, highlighting the sheer scale of the 19th-century volume. It serves as a private library or observation deck, where the museum-grade lighting creates sharp, geometric shadows against the silk-screened walls below. It is a bridge between the home's historic bones and its modern, curated evolution, providing a moment of quiet reflection. Upward still, we find the ultimate relaxation. The master bath is a monolithic tribute to stone and light. Book-matched marble slabs line the walls, creating a seamless, waterproof gallery. An original smoky patina mirror is positioned to reflect the high-contrast lighting, turning a daily routine into a ritual. Solid brass fixtures, heavy and cold to the touch, reinforce the sense of permanence. There is no plastic here, no compromise, only the world's finest materials shaped into a sanctuary of wellness. It is the pinnacle of the livable investment philosophy. Now, let us step out from the stone and into the air. The front courtyard is a choreographed transition from the public pulse to private peace. High-contrast shadows fall across the cobblestones, guided by brass lanterns that mimic the gaslight era. The thick stone walls of the estate rise on all sides, creating a sense of invincibility. Manicured greenery provides an organic counterpoint to the rigid limestone, while the museum-grade exterior lighting ensures the home's facade is always presented as a masterpiece. It is the formal introduction to an extraordinary lifestyle. But the true escape is found at the very top. High above the streets, the rooftop terrace offers a panoramic dialogue with the skyline. The zinc-clad chimneys and stone parapets are within arm's reach, while modern brass-framed glass walls protect a lounge area of unparalleled luxury. The contrast here is between the ancient city and the contemporary comfort of the terrace. It is a space for twilight entertaining, where the museum-grade lighting transitions from the interior to the stars, proving that every square meter of this property is designed for maximum impact. Behind the scenes, the work of the collector continues. The study is a masterclass in focus and texture. Dark, silk-screened wall coverings create a moody, high-contrast environment conducive to deep thought. The enfilade layout ensures that even when working, one feels connected to the home's grand architectural narrative. An original 19th-century mirror sits behind a solid brass desk, reflecting the carefully curated library. This is where the business of art and investment happens, surrounded by the very materials that justify the home's prestigious market standing. Quiet, focused, and powerful, just like the garden. The rear garden is a secret jardin of absolute silence. Thick walls block all city noise, creating a curated outdoor gallery of rare flora and stone sculptures. High-contrast lighting highlights the textures of the climbing ivy and the weathered limestone. It is an intimate space that feels disconnected from time, where the smoky patina of age is allowed to harmonize with fresh, green life. For the Haussmann owner, this is the ultimate luxury, a private, silent green lung in the heart of the world's most dense city. To own a Haussmann of this caliber is to hold a piece of architectural history refined by the standards of the future. From the smoky patina of 19th-century mirrors to the precision of museum-grade lighting, every square meter is an intentional investment in beauty and permanence. Thank you for touring this curated masterpiece with us. This is the art of the Haussmann, where life is the finest exhibition of all.